Hey guys, it's been a minute. I know it's been like 8 months since my last video, but here I got a keyboard build for the KBD67 Lite. It came with this case, which is awesome. You know, love cases that I can take this to wherever keyboard meetups work if I want to. Don't think I will because it's very vibrant. It came with screws and a toolkit, or I guess a little screwdriver, stabilizers, which I'm not going to use in this video, cable, coil cable, which is always good, foam pad, plastic plate, polycarbonate plate, and a silicone pad. I don't really know what you would call it. It's like a silicone plate, but not really the main plate. And the PCB, obviously. So the PCB is pretty standard, KBD67 PCB. And for the switches, I'll be using the Novel Key Silk Milkshakes. If you don't know, they're essentially like the silk yellows, but just different colored stems. Here I am sorting out the switches, doing a little sound test for you. Sound test with the keycap. And for the stabilizers, I actually used like TKC C3 screw stabilizers with the cream kit and the rose gold wires. And it came with a little pad for the Band-Aid mod. For lube, I am using Crytox 205G0. Haven't used too many other lubes since I've started the hobby, but Crytox 205G0, this is the same one I've used in my other two videos. Works perfectly fine. Stabilizers came pre-clipped, so that was nice. So the stickers essentially take place for the Band-Aid mod, at least that's what I use them for. If you don't know what the Band-Aid mod is, it's essentially just a way to mute the sound of stabilizers. Cut up a cloth Band-Aid and put that piece on the PCB, and it works pretty well. So there is the PCB with all the stabilizers. Looks pretty good so far. So as I said, the kit came with a silicone pad and a plastic plate. What I really like about the silicone pad is that I feel like it muted the keyboard a lot more than I felt other keyboards have. Could be wrong, but it feels like it absorbs more sound, and I like that muted feeling in sound. So I hope possibly see more, even if it's just grass plate with a silicone pad underneath. That'd be cool. There is the milkshakes with the PCB. Here I am testing out the switches. One thing about I think all KBD67s is that it doesn't come pre-programmed for VIA, so you have to do that yourself. Here I fucked up one of the pins, so I had to replace it. I could just fix the pin, but I didn't feel like doing that. So the foam pad is meant to be placed in one way, so you're just going to make sure the USB-C end goes through the USB-C port. When you screw in everything, it's going to be a bit snug. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure you don't over tighten everything. So for the keycaps, these are from the key.company company TKC. They are the Infinity Key Musubis that were in group buy a few months ago, I think 6 months ago. No, more than 6 months ago. They look pretty good. TKC has a history of not really color matching to the renders. In my opinion, these look pretty good. If anything, I wish the whites were a bit whiter. They look more like a beige white, off-white type, but I ain't mad about it. And I also got the novelty set. And that's the build. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not like the craziest build. I've been waiting for this build for like a long time. Anyways, here's a typing test. I suck at typing, trying to get to over 100. Really hard to do that consistently, but have a good day. See you later. Peace.